Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels Fast and Furious Silver Series HNR 88 L case. So this L case is actually the last case of 2025. It is the graphic remix series. So if you may recall, back in Fast and Furious Premium, Hot Wheels tried something similar to this where they had, it was called Fast Rewind, and they had cars that were older versions of like existing cars. And you're looking at an example on the turntable right now of the Silvia, the Mona Lisa Silvia with its older counterpart hand in hand. So it was kind of a mix of series where they kind of played around and they kind of, had a fun way of just experimenting with kind of releasing more Fast and Furious cars without actually releasing the same Fast and Furious cars over again. Well, now we have the Silver Series kind of equivalent of that. And instead of releasing it the same decos on different castings, we see inverted decos on the same castings that they were released on. So let's start pulling from the case and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I got a bunch of examples here that I'm going to be showing you on the turntable as we're talking these over. All right, the first car out of the case is the Honda S2000. So this is Suzuki's Honda S2000. Right there you see the Fast and Furious Silver Series graphic remix Fast and Furious. And you get the little 25th anniversary logo. That's actually for 2026, but since this was the last mix of 2025, you'll get that on these cards as well. So, and then you see the graphic remix car in white here, and then in the little reflection of the puddle or whatever that is in the ground, you'll see the actual coloring of the car. So we have the Suzuki's Honda S2000, and it is in white. And yeah, not bad. I mean, there's a couple different colors, and I actually have the, what is this? This was from the Women of Fast series. So this was the Silver Series car as well. So you get the same modern muscle wheels on the 5 spokes or whatever you call them on the sides. You get the full detail. So it's very basically it's the inverted version of this car. So even the interior looks to be pink as well. And I think that was actually, wasn't the interior pink on the actual car in the movie as well? So there you have the first car out of the case. The next one out of the case is the Volkswagen Jetta MK3. So this is Jesse's Volkswagen Jetta MK3, and it is in blue instead of the white. So you get that same kind of, the first couple of movies, the first, 1 and 2, and 3, you had these really cool decos. This one was the Troy Lee designed all these, right, in the first movie. And they're just kind of meant to be splashy. They're kind of, make these hero cars, pop a little extra on screen. But then you have, so this is the white version of the car. And you can see, this is actually a Silver Series car as well. From, I think it was 2 years ago in 2024, we had the Decades of Fast series. So you had this one in that mix. And so this is basically the inverted version of this car as well. Full deco, same wheels, everything. So very cool. So you got a nice little set building here. Let's see how it goes with the next car out of the case. All right, so the next car out of the case is the custom Acura Integra sedan GSR. This was Mia's car, right? Yes, Mia's car from the first movie. Didn't get a lot of screen time, right? But it still is one of those OG cars, from the first movie. So, and we actually don't have a Silver Series equivalent of this car. So for an example, I brought out the version from Hot Wheels Fast and Furious Premium in kind of this light blue. So with the with the deco, you get this new car, you get silver with the light blue kind of little, what is this, like a alien person? I don't know what it is, but the deco's in blue versus on the actual car where it's silver and the whole car is blue. So that is the 5th car in this mix. 3rd I pulled from this case. Let's pull out the next one. All right, so the next car out of the case is the Nissan Silvia S15. This is the Mona Lisa from Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. And you may recall this car being blue with an orange stripe. Now we see it in orange with a blue stripe. So, of course, graphic remix. And then I pulled for an example the version from, this is from a couple years back. I think this was actually right before Silver Series started. There was a Fast and Furious line. It was back in 2023, exclusive to Walmart. The last mix was super hard to find. It was just called Series 1, Series 2, and Series 3. There was like 10 cars in the mix. I think I ended up ordering the second and third mixes from overseas, aka outside the US. And this is basically the Silver Series equivalent of this car, which hasn't technically been released in the Silver Series yet. But in the next case, you'll see, actually coming up next on the channel, it will be. So for one of the first series, or the first cars of 2026. Then, the last car out of this case is the Lancer Evolution VII. So you have the Lancer Evolution VII. This was actually a Too Fast, Too Furious car. And the Hot Wheels model of this was basically the rally car, right? This is the rally car from like 2004, I think. And not the best example of the car, but neither here nor there. This is in blue with kind of a antifreeze, yellowish, greenish deco, however you look at it. And this car actually hasn't been released for a number of years. I can't remember. I think it was maybe like 2020. This is in a 5-pack. And this is the last release of it. Then before that, there was one release of it back in the themed assortment days of Fast and Furious. So you have this OG version in, I guess, like a kind of a dirtier yellow, right? Not a gold, not a green, not fully a yellow. Probably on the Hot Wheels scale of things, it's closer to an antifreeze. So you get the two cars together here, though, with the inverted deco. So all in all, I know, there's been various comments being thrown around like money grab. There's people are saying that, they've run out of ideas. I think, with the amount of Fast and Furious cars that we have actually over 300 different variants of Fast and Furious cars. I actually collect them all. So I have well over 300 different Fast and Furious cars. This case was just kind of like one of those fun mixes, just like I said at the beginning about, with Fast Rewind, just being kind of a different take and having a little fun with the Fast and Furious franchise. So let me know your takes in the comments below. I know the series has been out for a little while. I think it's come and gone at retail already. But I'm interested to hear what do you think is the best car in this mix? And let's talk there. Thanks as always for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.